Thank you for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. Today, I'm showing you how to make buffalo wing sauce from scratch. Not just using hot sauce and just mix with butter. Tasty, hot and sour sauce. If you like the video, please consider clicking like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I use red chili pepper this time, but if you want more heat, use different chilies. Okay, let's start. First, this is important. Put on gloves when handling chilies. Remove chili seed and cut chili. Don't touch your face, okay? And slice garlic. Next, put 40 grams of butter and turn the heat to mid. Melt the butter and the garlic stirring continuously. Half teaspoon of paprika powder. 50 grams of dried cranberries. Stir. Add the chilies. 50 grams of apple vinegar. And 50 grams of water. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Half teaspoon of salt. Cook until the chilies are soft. Put the chili into the blender and blend well. Jar should already be sterilized. Pour the chili sauce into a jar. This chili sauce is good for buffalo wing, of course, but also hamburgers, gyoza, spring roll, and potato chips. It's super easy to make, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you next video.